Appreciate it, Michael. It wasn't too bad. They had a few good things in there. Nothing crazy, nothing off the wall, but they did have some nice stuff. Like I said before, comment below. Let me know if there was anything in there that I missed or something you guys had a question about or something you like. Leave a comment, smash the like button, all that good stuff. We're about to walk over here now to Foot Locker and see what's going on over there. This Foot Locker usually has super fire, always. Flagship location, only flagship location on the West Coast. So you know they gotta have a lot of great things, a lot of things that you can't find other places. Let's go ahead and check it out now. What do you guys think about this jacket? Adidas jacket, look at that match. Adidas, that's pretty fly right there, right? The color pattern's not bad at all. It kind of matches with these right here, right? What do you guys think about these Adidas in the comment section below? The music's super loud right now. We back, man. You see these right here. I told you we had to talk about these. We're gonna talk about these today, man. As a matter of fact, we're gonna get to the review for this shoe right about, wait for it. We're gonna get to the review right about now, you dig? What do you guys think about these Reeboks? 140 price point, RBX DMX runs. These are not bad. These remind me of those Iversons that came out a long time ago. They kind of almost like look like that. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Not too bad, man. I don't know. They got in actually a couple colorways. This one, and then they have a black one, and then they have the white one there. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. And then of course they have the Iversons right here. This is a classic shoe right here. Let me know if you guys rock with the Iversons or not. 170. Oh no, I don't rock with these. I wish I would have known that they had these. These are the Kobe Protros that just dropped like yesterday. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. 175 price point. Let me know what those numbers mean in the inside if you know. Wow. Not bad, man. I'm not too much of a fan of, it's like a bulky, clunky shoe, but it still looks pretty dope though. Let me know what you guys think about these. I didn't know they had them. I walked right by this wall. I didn't even see them here. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys cop these or pass on them? Is this something for the World Cup? Is this something for the World Cup? Let me know if you guys know. I like this colorway, the navy blue. That leather looks really good. And then you got this color checker like flag in there. I don't know, man. Let me know what these represent. I do not know in the comment section, so don't flame me. But let me know if you guys like these or not. I like the leather quality on them. $100 price point. You can't go wrong with that, man. Okay, these Air Moneys, bro. Let me know what you think about this. This is that same colorway from that design of the other shoe I just showed you. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. 160 price point, Nautica. It's like the Nautica collab. This is not a Nike Nautica collab. If it is, let me know in the comment section. That's crazy. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Let me know, man. I think out of all the colorways I've seen of the Air Moneys, you got these right here. This is probably like the best one, hands down. That suede looks plush. That navy blue with the red, the yellow hints is fire. Let me know. Those, and you've seen these already on the channel. These bad boys is flames. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you guys did not know, I have a review. I have a review of this on my channel. What do you guys think about these spikes, man? They got the 3s, they got the 6s up in there. I think a little bit of the 4s too. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Is this a winner or not? I don't really like the spikes myself. 150 price point. Not a bad colorway though. I got that suede all around it. Not a bad. The inside look clean. This shoe is not bad. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. I've never seen this colorway for these. And I also have never seen these bad boys right here. These remind me of the other ones that came out. I think these might be like a week or two old. Let me know what you guys think about these. Did you guys pick these up? Did you guys even know these guys dropped? Like I said, I'm at the Hollywood and Highland Foot Locker, bro. They always come out with the heat. They got all the stuff you want. The latest stuff you need, come to Hollywood and Highland, you dig? Say it ain't so, bro. 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 I can't do it, man. I can't do it. I can't see myself getting that, man. I can't work the purple and gold. I can't do it. I can't do it. Look at that, man. I can't do it, bro. I can't.
Come on.
You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it, Hollywood Boulevard.
So is that like a staple to your
Crazy.
I think since it's more than the money.
Decided to come by Marshall's over there on Hollywood down the street to see what they had, and I found these LeBrons. These LeBron, I believe these are the 13s, right? What do you guys think about these? $79. Looks like it's dead stock. Nothing's wrong with the shoe at all. I don't see the box for it though. That's the only thing, and I only see one shoe. But they might have the other shoe somewhere. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. $79 for these. They retail for like $150 when they came out. Let me know if you guys like these in the comment section below, you dig? Actually have them in a few colorways, but they do not have the box for them. I still do not see the other shoe for what I just showed you, but here are the pair of the rest of them. This is like size, let me see. Oh, it's actually my size 13 right here. They got them for 70. Man, these tags keep flipping around. 79 bucks, so $80 for the LeBron 12s if you guys want them. Here, Hollywood area, the Marshalls, man. This one, not too bad. They usually haven't had these shoes. I've came here before and haven't found some LeBrons, so these are actually a good steal. 79 bucks. They got these ones here also. The navy blue colorway, which I've showed you guys before at Marshalls before. I've never seen the red ones though, but the navy blue ones I have seen. $79 also. And then these, are these Chris Paul's? What is that? Let me know what you guys, give me the information in the comment section. These look like they some type of CPs or something like that. I don't know, but I don't think so because he's with Jordan. So let me know what these are in the comment section below. Smash the like button, share the video. They don't look bad though, but just not for me, man. Not for me. And they go for these ones are $49. Fire. So you guys can find some stuff here at the Marshalls in Hollywood. Just gotta search. On this other side they have usually the cleats. They got some more LeBrons right here too. I mean, I guess they're whipping out all the LeBrons because he came to the Lakers. This colorway, 79 bucks. They might be whipping out all the LeBrons here now because he's in LA. That could be the reason why you guys are gonna see LeBrons, because I have never seen this many LeBrons at this Marshalls ever. Here's another pair, different size. What are these? Oh, nothing. Some KYRIEs. All right. Yeah, so that wraps it up here at Marshalls. I'm about to get to the house now so we can review the James Hardens. I don't know what these are either. They look kind of crazy, right? But I don't know, some racing shoes. But yeah, about to get to the house now, do the review on these shoes, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Smash the like button, share the video, leave comments, all that good jazz. Show your support like you always do. We're about to get the live stream going. There will be giveaways during the live stream, so if you guys want some PlayStation gift cards or something like that, hit your boy up, follow the live stream, you dig? Look at this car right here. PS4 gift cards. Look at this monster truck right here. Look at that. Yeah. Right? That look hard running down the street, right? Monster truck, monster car. But yeah, so the giveaways will begin tonight. Throughout the chat, I will release, you know, the codes. They come in like numbers of 4 in 3 sections. I'll put out each section throughout the chat, throughout the stream. So you guys just gotta watch, man. Watch all the way through, or watch until you're done, or I don't know. But throughout my stream, I will be putting the gift card codes inside the chat area. So make sure you guys are chatting. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, your boy Bossco Mitchell. About to get to the house, upload another video. Also, make sure you guys watch that live stream coming on at 8 to 8:30 Pacific Standard Time. Let's get it.